Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to win a golden ticket on the Marvel Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Snap game on your device and you will be taken into the main menu. And if you're playing for the first time, you will need to complete the basic tutorial levels, after which you will be given your first starter deck. Now you will need to keep playing more levels, and after completing the first season, the conquest mode will be unlocked. After this, you can simply click on this menu and you will now see various different levels that you can beat. At first, only the proving grounds will be available. So within this mode, you will simply need to win one match against another opponent, and this will reward you with a silver ticket. After you gain the silver ticket within the proving grounds, you can then compete within the silver conquest. Now in this match, you will need to win twice in order to get the reward, which is a golden ticket. After earning this golden ticket, you will now be able to use this within the Gold Conquest League, and in this way you can continue forward and win the entire conquest mode. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to win the golden ticket on the Marvel Snap conquest mode. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.